Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only. Best way to reach me, 828-773-4500. This is a 2026 Merhow Stampede 8312A-RKS. So that would be an 8 wide, 12-foot short wall, 3-horse. It is all aluminum. It is 7'8" tall, 8 wide. It is charcoal in color. It has 2 propane tanks, lockable battery box with 2 batteries, dual hydraulic jacks with individual switches. It does have the big slide, so it does have the fridge in the slide box. Does have the graphics package. Does have the load light package. So it's got load lights on both sides of the trailer. That's the light up here on the top, and it has one on the rear, and it has one on the other side of the trailer in the same spot. They all have separate switches. It has the escape door with flip up step. This has the upgraded sandy wash option, and that's the option to flush your black tank. Does have aluminum wheels. Again, 3 drop-down windows, 2 manger doors. They're under those drop-down windows for storage, and they are lined with the same lining that's in the rear tack that I'm getting ready to show you. Extrusion, the full extrusion below the last 2 windows for protection and just beefs up the trailer. 3 tie rings on each side of the trailer, so a total of 6. This is a 12-foot short wall. It's actually the best layout I think we have, with the best size trailer that we have, meaning it's not too big and it's not too small. It's just the perfect size. It does have a rear ramp, so you'll see this on the walls in here in the tack area. It's got that in the manger boxes as well. Catch this door. So it's got a collapsible rear tack, 3-tier saddle rack, and that saddle rack is removable. Bridle hooks on the wall on the inside of the wall on the left. It's got a blanket bar on the back door with a brush box. 30-amp cord is included. This door is not gonna work well for me, so let me try to open this door again. Sorry about that, guys. Let's see. It's not gonna stay. Load light there on the rear, you can see that. The switches are all here for all those lights. Stepping up in the horse box, fully lined and insulated roof vents, padded airflow dividers, lower divider, padding at the chest of the last 2 horses, nice rounded edges at that chest, padding on the inside wall here. Go here, empty weight of this trailer, 10,493. So 10,493 empty weight. Does have the chest strap and a butt strap. 3 slider windows that are big on the back, added fans, LED lights for the interior lights here in the horse box. Mats. So nice horse box, very comfortable, very big, very open. All the amenities that I think work well for horses. I have a Merhow and I love the horse box. God, me and this door wants to kill me. There's that other load light here on this side, 3 tie rings as I stated. Power awning. This has an upgraded 10-gallon hot water heater. Flip up step at the living quarters door. I'm gonna step up in the LQ. Grab bar lights up. It's got LED lights underneath the awning. Like I said, this is the best layout, in my opinion, for a 12-foot short wall. So big fridge. I'm gonna open that fridge here in just a second and show you how big that fridge actually is. It's a 12-volt fridge as well. That couch makes the bed, and it's got the decor on the valances and on the back of the couch. Just kind of spices up the trailer a little bit with the decor. Underneath here, storage is completely, that whole deck is storage, which I think is better than drawers because it gives you more space. Drawer underneath that fridge for storage. Let me just go ahead and open this thing up and show you. Big fridge. So 110 outlet on the wall there. So we're just going to start here. As you see, the top of the slide box has the decor on it as well. Shades. It's got a 110 outlet in the slide box as well as a USB port. Your TV is here on a swing arm, and that does move. You got a nice little counter radio, and you got some storage here, which is nice. They've kept storage everywhere. This does have a lot of storage in this trailer. Ducted AC, propane furnace. Probably my most favorite thing about this trailer is coming in here and having this big closet. 2 big closets, hanging closets. They both have hanging bars. So right when you come in the door, you've got a nice coat closet, hanging closet there. Steps up to the bed. There is 3 doors behind those pillows, and they are for storage. There's a small hanging bar that goes this way. So you can hang some things in the trailer if you need it, or that's a great place for extra bedding. Now, I'm going to try to zoom in because I'm not going to climb on this bed. There is a satellite. I'm sorry, not a satellite. There is a, oh my gosh, my mind just went blank. What am I trying to say? It's for the sun. It's on the roof. Oh my gosh. All right, I'll get back to that. But that's actually the charger to show you that those panels are charging. So they're charging off the sun on the roof. Cabinet here with your 110 out. I mean your breaker box. Gosh, guys, I'm flipping around. You can put an extra TV in here. It has all the hookups here in the corner. This bed area is big. It's very big area. As I said, steps up to the bed, flip up counter, rear kitchen, microwave, 2-burner glass top stove, dual stainless sinks. And this actually extends. So we just tested it, so it's got water in it now. Floor space for days. I mean, you could put a full-size mattress in the floor in here and still be able to walk around. Dog beds, playpen, pack and play, you name it. The floor space is great in this trailer. Solar panels. Ding, 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 ding. This trailer is equipped with solar panels. Up there in the nose, on the corner there is your controller to tell you how your solar panels are handling and what kind of wattage you have. Yay. Pocket bathroom door. I do like the 12-foot for the fact that you have a walk-in closet. Complete walk-in closet, 2 hanging bars and a shelf. This has a big dome shower, skylight, walk-through door. It is all soft touch walls with crown molding at the top. Bathroom has a sink and vanity. Again, pocket door, fantastic fan. So a 2026 8312A-RKS, that stands for Model A, rear kitchen slide. Super nice spacious trailer, a lot of room, a lot of great amenities, all in a trailer that's not too long and too big to get in and out of places. I personally pull a Merhow 12-foot, so I can attest to that. I'm happy with it. Nice trailer, guys. Probably one of my best-selling layouts. I think I've sold, in the last couple years, I've probably sold 10 a year of this trailer, so it's that good. Normally don't stay around very long. So stepping back out, super nice trailer, 8312 Merhow. This is Ashley. This is Carolina Trailer Sales. Best way to reach me, 828-773-4500. You guys have a great day.